Twins within 2 games of the Tigers in Kansas City Saturday night. Scott Baker facing Lenny DiNardo. Soda trailed early, brought some thunder, and then watched their skipper get tossed. All in a good night's work. We'll begin with Alberto Callaspo. Wears lucky number 13. Tonight, he was lucky. His first hit of the night, he had 2 hits and 2 ribs. It's a home run. 1-0 KC. Very next batter in that second inning, Brian Pena. And we have ourselves a back-to-back situation. Pena also had 2 hits. It's 2-0 KC. Lenny DiNardo has an ERA just above 2 in 2 starts versus Minnesota, but he had to face Denard Span, and he had a career night. It's 2-2 in the 4th. Bases loaded, no more. Span, it's a triple, scores Delmon Young, Matt Tolbert, and Nick Punto. It's 5-2 Minnesota into the 6th. 2 on, 1 out. And Span comes through again. It's a single, plates Brendan Harris and Tolbert. It's 7-2 Minnesota. Into the 8th, it's now 7-4. It's that guy again, Span up, and he drives home Tolbert again. 8-4 at this point. Span, 4 hits, 6 RBIs, as we said, a career night. Next batter in that inning, Orlando Cabrera. The single plates Nick Punto. That makes it 9-4. The next batter again, Joe Mauer, does what he does best, hit the ball hard. The double scores Span and Cabrera, 11-4 at this point. And as we mentioned, Ron Gardenhire tossed, and here he is arguing. It's an early shower, but you know what? It was a pleasant one because his team went on for the 11-6 win. Baker the win, 6 1/3, 4 earned. DiNardo the loss. Tolbert added 3 hits for the Twins as well. They remain 2 games behind the Tigers, who won also.